In this video, we will show you how to do an oil change on this Honda Civic. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. We will be making our way under the hood, but before we start doing anything here, I want to mention we will have to safely make our way underneath the vehicle, so make sure you're in a safe area for that. Once you've completed that, we'll be removing our oil cap right up along the passenger side top of the valve cover. On the cap itself, you can tell exactly what type of oil to use, and you want to make sure you have 4 quarts of it, 5W20. We'll give the cap a quick inspection, make sure the seal is still soft and pliable and it's not torn or worn or damaged. Set that aside, and now we can safely make our way underneath the front of the vehicle. Now from underneath the vehicle, we'll be looking for our engine oil pan. On the oil pan along the backside, you'll find a 17mm drain plug. Go ahead and start loosening that. Make sure you have a collection bucket under the area so you can recycle that fluid properly. While we have that draining, we can make sure that we have the bucket underneath the oil filter and remove that. To do that, I'll be using a small oil filter wrench. With that oil filter out of there, we'll continue on with a clean rag. We want to make sure we wipe down the oil filter base and give it a close inspection. We're looking for any debris and or original gasket. Now we can continue on with our brand new oil filter. It's always a good idea to use a little bit of that clean motor oil, put it right in the center. That's priming it. And then take a gloved finger, add some oil to that gasket. We'll tighten that oil filter by hand and then turn it an additional 1/8 of a turn with the filter wrench. Just double check it, make sure it is secure. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have a gasket on the drain plug. We'll take this and put it in position. We'll bottom this out. And now we'll torque that to 29 foot-pounds. Now let's make our way back up to the engine compartment. We'll continue on with a funnel. Add 3.9 quarts of 5W20 oil. Once we've done that, we'll put the oil cap back in the original position. Now once you have that oil cap on there, hop inside the passenger compartment. Start up the car, let it run for a couple seconds and turn it back off. The next thing we'll do while on a flat level surface would be to check the motor oil level. You can do that with the dipstick right in the center of that valve cover. We'll lift this up and out of position, give it a quick wipe. While I have it out of there, pay attention to the very end of that dipstick. Down in this area where my thumb is, you're going to find a hatched area. All the way up near the top of those hatches is where that oil level should be at. If it's below the hatches, add a little bit. If it's above for some reason, you added too much and you need to drain some out. Now at this point, you can close your hood, reset your oil light, and take your vehicle for a road test. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.